Your AI agent has a SOUL.md file. It defines who the agent is, what it does, how it behaves, and what safety guardrails it follows. Now, what happens when someone changes that file without you knowing? What if a skill you installed from a community repository gets tampered with after the fact? What if there's a critical vulnerability in your agent platform, one that's been weaponized, and nobody tells you about it? These aren't hypothetical scenarios. They're happening right now in AI agent ecosystems. And today, I want to show you a tool that solves all of them with a single install. It's called ClawSec. ClawSec is a complete security skill suite built by Prompt Security, a company focused entirely on AI security. It's designed specifically for OpenClaw and NanoClaw agent platforms. But this isn't just one tool with one job. It's a full security stack packed into a single installable suite. You get drift detection that monitors your agent's identity files and automatically restores them if they're tampered with. You get live vulnerability monitoring that pulls directly from NIST's National Vulnerability Database, filtered specifically for your platform. You get automated daily security audits that catch prompt injection markers, configuration issues, and known vulnerabilities. And you get cryptographic integrity verification, SHA-256 checksums, and ED25519 signatures for every skill in your agent's toolchain. All of that from one command. npx claw hub install ClawSec suite. Let's start with the feature that makes ClawSec stand out, the SOUL Guardian skill. Your agent's SOUL.md is its identity. It defines behavior boundaries, safety guardrails, system prompts, and operational rules. If someone modifies that file, whether it's a malicious actor, a misconfigured automation, or even an accidental edit, your agent's entire behavior can change. ClawSec's SOUL Guardian monitors SOUL.md and Identity.md continuously. The moment it detects a change that wasn't authorized, it flags the drift immediately. But it doesn't just send you an alert and wait. It automatically restores the file to its last known good baseline state. Think of it like an immutable contract for your agent's identity. Every change is detected, logged to an audit trail, and reversed if it wasn't supposed to happen. No manual intervention, no window of vulnerability. Your agent's soul stays protected. The ClawSec feed skill connects your agent to real-time threat intelligence. It pulls NIST's National Vulnerability Database automatically every 6 hours, and it filters the results specifically for vulnerabilities that affect your platform. If you're running OpenClaw, it watches for CVEs mentioning OpenClaw, CloudBot, and MoltBot. If you're on NanoClaw, it filters for NanoClaw, WhatsApp bot, and Bailey's vulnerabilities. But this isn't just a raw data dump. ClawSec enriches every advisory with context that actually matters. You get CVSS severity scores alongside exploitability assessments. Is this vulnerability theoretical, or has it been actively weaponized? What are the specific attack requirements? And most importantly, what are the concrete remediation steps for your platform? The advisory feed is served from clawsec.prompts.security, and your agent gets a curated, actionable security feed, not a fire hose of irrelevant CVEs. The OpenClaw Audit Watchdog is your agent's daily security health check. Every day at 6 a.m. UTC, it runs a comprehensive scan. It looks for prompt injection markers, the telltale patterns that indicate someone is trying to manipulate your agent's behavior through crafted inputs. It scans your configuration files for known vulnerabilities and misconfigurations that could expose your agent to attack. And it can send you email reports with the full audit results, so you know exactly what's happening even when you're not actively watching your agent. You can also run audits manually anytime with the built-in validation tools. The validate skill command checks JSON validity, required fields, SBOM files, and metadata structure. It's automated security hygiene for AI agents. Set it up once, and it protects you every single day. Now let's talk about supply chain security, because this is where ClawSec really sets itself apart from anything else in the AI agent ecosystem. Every skill artifact that ClawSec distributes ships with a checksums.json file containing SHA-256 hashes. But it goes much further than basic checksums. All releases are cryptographically signed using ED25519 keys. The CI pipeline enforces signing key consistency across multiple PIM files, which means even if one key is compromised, the system detects the inconsistency. And here's the self-healing part. If any integrity check fails at any point, ClawSec automatically re-downloads the skill from the trusted release source. Your agent never runs compromised code. This is the same level of supply chain security you'd expect from enterprise software, applied to AI agent skills. Let me show you how fast this is to set up. One command installs the entire ClawSec security suite, the CVE Monitoring feed, the SOUL Guardian for drift detection, and the Audit Watchdog. All 3 skills get configured and activated immediately. Your advisory feed starts polling, your SOUL.md gets its baseline snapshot, and your daily audit schedule begins. After install, you can validate individual skills with the built-in validator to check JSON structure, required fields, and SBOM integrity. You can package skills with the packaging utility, which generates SHA-256 checksums and applies ED25519 signatures automatically. The whole process takes less than a minute, from 0 to fully protected in one terminal command. No configuration files to edit, no tokens to set up, just install and go. ClawSec isn't just for OpenClaw. It has dedicated first-class support for NanoClaw, the containerized WhatsApp bot platform. NanoClaw gets its own streamlined install flow designed for its containerized architecture. The integration includes 9 MCP tools purpose-built for agent communication, IPC-based host message passing between containers for secure inter-process communication, and the same automatic advisory feed with 6-hour refresh cycles that OpenClaw gets. The platform-specific CVE filtering is particularly valuable here. NanoClaw agents only see vulnerabilities relevant to their stack. No noise from OpenClaw-specific issues cluttering your security feed. Whether you're running OpenClaw agents, NanoClaw WhatsApp bots, or a mix of both, ClawSec has you covered with platform-aware security monitoring. Here's why I think ClawSec matters beyond just being a useful tool. AI agents are becoming critical infrastructure. They're handling sensitive data, making autonomous decisions, interacting with real users, and operating in production environments with real consequences. But most agent frameworks today have zero built-in security tooling, no integrity verification for skills, no drift detection for identity files, no vulnerability monitoring, no audit trails. ClawSec changes that equation entirely. It brings the same security practices we've demanded from production software for decades: checksums, cryptographic signatures, automated audits, vulnerability scanning, incident logging, directly into the AI agent ecosystem. And it's completely open source, built by Prompt Security, a company whose entire focus is AI security. ClawSec is completely open source on GitHub. Link is in the description below. One install gives you drift detection, vulnerability monitoring, automated audits, and cryptographic integrity verification for your entire agent stack. If this breakdown helped you understand AI agent security better, hit subscribe at Prism Labs. We cover the tools, frameworks, and security practices shaping the AI ecosystem every week. Go protect your agents.